welcome back to my channel, Crystal's Corner, my little corner of the country. I just wanted to get on here real quick. I've been cooking, let's see, what time is it now? 4:30. I've been cooking today since 12:30. So I'm almost finished, but I've got down to the last thing, and this is my mom's cranberry relish. I really want to share that with you guys because it is yummy and it's super easy to make. So I just want to share it with you real quick. So you get 1 bag of cranberries, fresh cranberries, and wash them. Then you peel 2 oranges, and let's see if it says 1.5. Hold on, let me put my glasses on. Then, oh, my glasses are dirty. 1 cup sugar. And so what you do is you get your blender out and you wash your cranberries first, then you blend small amounts of cranberries at a time, and fold in the peeled oranges. Of course, you're going to take out the seeds, and then fold in the sugar, and that is it. And I will be back to show you what it looks like. It is the most yummy cranberry relish. If you don't like cranberries, you will like this because it tastes like pure sweet. So I'll be right back to show you guys and show you what it looks like. I wish I could let you taste it, but you need to make it. I'm just saying, you need to try it. Okay, be right back. These don't have any seeds in them for some reason. This is it, guys. I'm telling you, this stuff is so yummy. Try it and let me know if you did, because I want to know what you think. Thanks for joining me today, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.